Hi guys, today I'm making this beautiful centerpiece that's perfect for spring and Easter. So let me show you how I put it together. Okay guys, so I'll be using this metal planter I got at the dollar store last season. I just loved how intricate the design on the outside was. I got these at Michael's and they are called a spring bush, but I really liked that they were in pastel colors, so well suited for this centerpiece. I have some moss and I have some shredded paper and I have my floral foam. So I'm going to put my floral foam on the inside of the container. You can add some hot glue if you'd like, but it's quite sturdy without being glued to the pan. So I'm going to go ahead and add my shredded paper just to add some stuffing, and then I'm going to add my green moss on top. This is going to cover the shredded paper and give a nice spring garden look. So guys, most of what I'm using I already had. I used them last season, so I'm just redoing the arrangement. Now I'm cutting my stems and then I'm going to be adding them around the pan to give that full garden look. So this year I've decided to go with way less florals in my arrangement. So if you are not into florals like that, then this is a great option for you. If you've made it this far and you are enjoying the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so for more budget-friendly DIYs. I'm now adding some greenery, and you want to make sure that you have different heights and a mixture of colors to achieve that fullness. I'm going to be adding these purple flower picks to give that extra pop of color. So I made a little carrot patch last year, guys, and I wanted to recreate that because I loved it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and just add my carrots now. I'm also reusing this bunny butt I got at the Dollar Tree because it's just so cute. So I'm going to add my bunny digging into the carrot patch. Because I'm not using a lot of flowers, guys, I'm going to be adding these foam eggs to give that fun vibe, if you know what I mean. This is really shaping up nicely, guys. The foam eggs are definitely elevating this centerpiece. I'm adding these flower buds to add some texture and to get that garden style look that I'm going for. I made this little sign for my carrot patch, guys, using a piece of cardboard, a skewer, and a white paint pen for the writing. And I think it's just so cute. Well, this is how it turned out, guys, and I am loving it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I will catch you in the next video.